In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT as a financial analyst. Let's dive into the world of AI and financial analysis, where I'm going to walk you through the process of making the most out of ChatGPT in your financial tasks. First off, begin by opening your web browser and heading over to Google. This might seem straightforward, but it's always the first step in accessing any online tool or resource. Once you're on Google, type in ChatGPT in the search bar. This will bring up a list of results, prominently featuring the ChatGPT website. Click on the link to navigate directly to ChatGPT's homepage. Now that you're on the ChatGPT website, it's time to set the stage for financial analysis. In the search or prompt bar, type in a query or prompt aimed at initiating ChatGPT as your financial analyst. This can be a specific question regarding financial data analysis, market trends, or investment strategies. The key is to communicate clearly and succinctly, ensuring that the AI understands your request. Once you've crafted your prompt, go ahead and submit it. You'll notice a response pop up almost immediately as ChatGPT starts processing your request. Next, you'll want to utilize the plus sign feature within ChatGPT, which allows for adding additional elements to your query. Click on it, and from there, you have the option to add photos and files. This can include financial reports, charts, or other related documents that might assist ChatGPT in delivering a more comprehensive analysis. Select a file relevant to your analysis needs. Whether it's stock data, quarterly reports, or any other financial document, uploading this file can enhance the AI's response, providing a richer context for your query. With your file uploaded, it's time to engage more deeply with ChatGPT. Type in an additional prompt. This might refine your initial question or delve into new areas of inquiry based on the data you've provided. This iterative process is a way to guide the AI, tailoring its responses to be as relevant and detailed as possible. Finally, go ahead and click on Submit once more. ChatGPT will process your new input, considering both the prompt and the uploaded files, to give you a well-rounded and insightful analysis. This workflow of prompting, uploading, and refining will allow you to leverage ChatGPT like a financial analyst, harnessing its capability to analyze and interpret complex datasets. And there you have it. You've now transformed ChatGPT into a virtual financial analyst, ready to assist with a multitude of financial inquiries. Feel free to explore different types of questions and document uploads to fully utilize its potential. Thank you for joining this session, and happy analyzing.